Set 2.3 fourth example 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. You have to solve this example by completing square method. According to rules, you have to write the given equation in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The given expression is in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Second rule is that make the coefficient of the square term as 1. Here the coefficient of the square term is 9. If you want to convert this into the 1 at that time, you have to divide both side by 9. If you want to remove this 9 at that time, divide this 9y square by 9, 12 by 9 and 2 by 9, 0 by 9. Divide both side by 9. Then you will divide at that time 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, cancel, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. This will come y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Then this is in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First rule is that you have to write the given equation in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Second rule is that you have to make the coefficient of the square term as 1. If coefficient of the square term is not 1, at that time you have to convert this into the 1. Here, if the coefficient is 9, at that time divide both side by 9, and this in this equation the coefficient of the y square is no coefficient means 1. Then you have to apply the regular rules and you have to solve the example. To make the polynomial perfect square, let add a suitable term to this y square minus 4 upon 3y. I will add k to y square minus 4 upon 3. At that time y plus z is the perfect square term, y plus z bracket square. Then you have to write this y square minus 4 upon 3y plus k is equal to 0 as it is. You have to do the square, y square plus 2yz plus z square. Then you have to equate the term of the y and the k together. So 4 upon 3y minus 4 upon 3y is equal to 2yz and k is equal to z square. Here this is the term of the y, this is the term of the y. Transpose this 2y from right to left. That becomes divided by 2y and you will get the value of z. Then here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This will come minus 2 upon 3 is equal to z. You have to put the value of z as minus 2 upon 3 here. At that time z square is equal to minus 2 upon 3 bracket square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Value of k will come 4 upon 9. This is the square term. Then if this one is the square term, at that time our original expression is like this. This is the original expression. Y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. Add this square term in this equation. So I will add and subtract the square term. So I wrote that add and subtract the square term in above equation. So this 4 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9. You have to add and subtract the square term. And after that you have to rearrange the term. Y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 4 upon 9 you have to write together. And remaining terms you have to write together. 2 upon 9 and 4 upon 9. Here this 4 upon 9 is the perfect square of 2 upon 3. So I will write this as 2 upon 3 bracket square. Here the denominator is same. Write the denominator only once. Add or subtract the numerator. 2 minus 4 you have to do. Then you have to write the first 3 term and last 2 term in the form of the square. So I will write like this: y plus 2 upon 3 bracket square, and this 2 is the perfect square of square root of 2 into square root of 2. So I will write this as square root of 2. 9 is the perfect square of 3. Square root of 2 upon 3 bracket square is equal to 0. This is a, this is b. You have to utilize the identity a square minus b square. At that time you will write this as a plus b and a minus b. Then you have to equate these brackets with 0. If I will equate these brackets with 0, that time this equation will come like this: y plus 2 upon 3 plus square root of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Y plus 2 upon 3 minus square root of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. You have to find out the value of variable. This 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 becomes minus 2 upon 3 plus square root of 2 upon 3 becomes minus square root of 2 upon 3. This plus 2 upon 3, when they will go that side, that becomes minus 2 upon 3. minus square root of 2 upon 3 becomes plus square root of 2 upon 3. Here denominator is same, you have to write the denominator only once and we will get the two solution. Y is equal to minus 2 minus of square root of 2 upon 3 and y is equal to minus 2 plus square root of 2 upon 3. In this way you have to solve the example. Write this example properly.